So, hello people. It's been raining for the past couple days like crazy. And today the sun came out. There's a little bit of cloud in the sky. But the sun is out and I'm gonna go for a ride. Gotta make use of it because they say it's gonna rain again tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. So, I'm gonna get on the bike and go for a little ride.
Oh yeah, this feels so good. Like I said, it's been like about 4 days straight, non-stop rain. Oh, it feels good to be back on the bike. Right now I'm gonna go to the bank and put gas in this bad boy. But before I do that, I'm gonna go take a little spin. Oh, that feels so good! Woo! Oh yeah, I needed this. Woo! I hope you guys are hearing me. Well, how can you not hear me with all that shouting? Sound like a little fanboy right now or some shit. Oh man, but it feels good to be back on the bike. I always hear you guys talk about how, hold on. I always hear you guys talk about how you can't ride and stuff. Now I know how it feels. Feels good. Oh, that I don't miss. Oh man, I seriously don't miss that. So anyway, what's been going on? How's everybody doing? I'm doing mighty fine, thank you. Do I have a topic to talk about? I will talk about something that happened the other day at work. Get your ass going, ma'am. So, the other day this lady came in and she was looking for the financial aid department, and she heard my little accent, if you want to call it, and she asked where I came from. And I told her, I'm a Jamaican. And she's like, for real? I was like, yeah, born and raised. The next thing that came out of her mouth made me want to smack the shit out of her. This lady asked me if I smoke weed and if I drink. Why do people always think if you're Jamaican, it's automatic that you smoke weed and drink? It's kind of funny to me, but I couldn't smack the shit out of her, so I just said, no, not all Jamaicans smoke weed, and not all Jamaicans drink. And she went, oh. I was like, unbelievable. Then I was at the store, me and my mom, and we're talking, you know, Jamaican or Patois. That's the dialect that they speak in Jamaican or Jamaica. And this guy was just standing there watching me and my mom talk. Then, after we're finished, he comes up and he goes, "Excuse me, what language are you guys speaking?" And me and my mom said, "English." He goes, no, that's not English. You guys weren't speaking English at all." So I was like, "Yeah, we were." He goes, "Where are you guys from?" We said, "Jamaica." He goes, "Oh." Then he tried to say Wagwan. Man, I almost lost it in that store. I was dying from laughter. That's the funniest thing to hear people talk or try to talk like a Jamaican. It's just the funniest thing to me. It is the funniest thing. Got some money. Now to go put some gas in this baby. Oh, nice. What is that over there? Looks like a Ducati. Is that a Ducati? Let's pass by and see if it's a Ducati. Ah. What did I just... Oh, damn. Forgot to stand. My bad. I'm still a noob. Yep, that's a Ducati. Nice. Man, did I tell you how much I love this bike? It is so nice. It feels so good. It feels... I made a very good choice. A very good choice. I'm loving it. Really love it. The exhaust is ridiculously awesome. Oh man. Hold on one second. There we go. I'm taking a long way to the gas station. Who wouldn't? Alright, people. Well, that's all I got for today. Ugh. I hope you enjoy what I had to, a little chit chat. And I will hit you guys up later. Peace.